Introducing the Cover Care Token. Peace of mind for the rider who buys a quality Saddlemen seat. Now you can be protected from loss if your seat is damaged, no matter what the cause. This also includes coverage if you wanted to simply change the cover material or thread color of your current seat to match the new paint or accessories on your bike. If you have the Cover Care Token, we'll completely repair and recover it, or we may choose to replace it. If the cover material used in the construction of your seat has been discontinued or otherwise unavailable, we'll substitute a like material, returning your seat to new or first quality condition. The only charge you'll incur will be transportation costs of shipping your damaged seat to and from our manufacturing facility. On international shipments, you may also be responsible for taxes, duties, and/or VAT. Your Saddlemen Cover Care Token will never expire and is sealed inside a glossy clear display case. It's good for just one use. Keep it in a safe place because it's your proof that you have coverage. You will be asked to submit the token along with your seat when making a claim. After your seat is repaired or replaced, simply order another token to cover your new seat from future damage. Can you sell your Cover Care Token? Yes, absolutely. And the new owner will be confident they now have access to the same great coverage as the original purchaser. To learn more about this product, simply call, email, or direct message us, and one of our friendly and knowledgeable product specialists will assist you in selecting the perfect Saddlemen seat for your next ride. Call us at 800-397-7709 or email sales@saddlemen.com.